Look at that back end. Look at that ass. Look at that fat ass, Martha. Hey, Martha, look at that fat ass right there. That's right. Guys, what is up? How's everybody doing? Hey, first off, let me apologize for not getting back on here in a hot minute. It's my fault. I just moved all my inventory to a new dealer, or a new lot right on Route 1. New location right smack on Route 1, main road. Super exposure, maximum exposure, much bigger lot. With that said, I got a whole bunch of new inventory coming in and a whole bunch of new trucks that are actually pretty kick-ass that I'm building, putting new wheels and tires on this one right here that I'm about to show you. Taking off some step rails, putting on some bumpers, custom painting, powder coating some new trucks with bumpers and front ends and whatnot. Stay tuned and check it out. I do apologize about being in the darkness for a while, but here I am. Light has spoken. Check it out. This, my friends, is a 2012 GMC Sierra 2500 Dirtymax. It's got a nice lift on it. This is a rough country lift kit. Brand new Moog upper and lower ball joints. Brand new, fellas. Look at that. Ain't nothing better than putting awesome top of the line crap in your trucks and vehicles. Why? It's because big trucks like this have to be able to, the components have to be able to handle all the suspension and all the wear and tear and the weight. So why not put the best of the stuff on it? With that said, moving forward, it's 2500, but there's 3500 badges on it. Bone stock as far as the exhaust system and the, I think it's got an air filter on it. So super nice truck. It's really nice. Allison tranny with the 6.6 Dirtymax heavy duty. It's got nice cap lights on it. And as you can see, Anthony, thanks for saying, hey, where you at? Where you been, Mark? I'm right here, brother. How you doing? Right here. I'm 6 foot tall, so the truck stands pretty significantly tall. It's got plenty of I can't speak today. It's got plenty of clearance, but depending on the price of what I'm going to throw this up at, I might switch these wheels out to a nice set of. I'm thinking, what are you guys thinking? Honestly, I'm thinking a black barrel chrome face type of wheel, like a Fuel Maverick maybe, or like a Renegade or something like that, or Rampage maybe. Who knows? What are you guys thinking? These are for the right person, they're all right. My taste, not so much. But who knows? Everybody's boat. Everybody floats differently, you know. This is a 37 1250 18-inch tire. So I'm probably gonna throw something a little bit different on here, a little bit different setup. It's got some nice looking step rails on, not too snazzy, not too crazy, not too extreme. Walk around on the back of the truck. I don't know what the hell that is there. Who the hell put an S right there? Let's take this crap off right now. I don't know why you did that. Whatever. Backup camera. Whoa! God, that was a freaking snake. Holy shit. God damn, scared the friggin' daylights out of me. So yeah, there it is. And that's pretty much about it. Major upgrades and a whole bunch of new stuff coming on with this truck. It is a long bed, which is cool. It's different. You don't really see them that often. So long bed, lifted beast Duramax. Yeah, stay tuned. Hope you guys are doing well. This is Mark signing out. Subscribe. See ya.